Hello, this is Tim, the No Nonsense Trader, and I have a few trades here that I wanted to tell you about, and a few trends that I've been watching. First, I want to look at the cable on the daily chart. This trend, as you can see, what we've got here, the trend is dead, according to Blue Zone rules. When we have a breakout of the 55 SMA that is wider, a close wider than the gap between the 27 and the 55, I consider this trend dead. So what we've done, per rules, I close everything that I have open. So what we've done here, you can see over here, back on 26th of September, we made a short at 83.25. We actually profited 3,825 pips. On January 12th, here we had a short at 51.14 for a positive 614. The 25 February short, we lost 109 pips on that, and we had a 150 pip loss yesterday on a stop out, for a total of 4,180 pips on this particular trend. Now this will probably go into consolidation for a while, and then it'll either continue on a bearish trend or it'll reverse. Either way, it doesn't matter. When it starts moving, we'll make money on it. Next, we will look at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. The trend is in great shape. As you can see, the simple moving averages are actually getting wider. So we have a little bit more room here. It means that the trend is getting steeper. We currently have a trade open where we bought right here at 83.77. We're up by 244 pips so far. No interest in closing that, none at all. Not until, according to the rules of this system, when we start approaching the 100 SMA, it closes. Everything closes. Okay, but so far I see no indication that this trend is going to end anytime soon. Okay, the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, this trend never really developed. As you can see, we didn't even get an inside bar to trade here, so we've never made a trade. But as you can see, you can see how close together our 27 and 55 SMA are, and we did have a close farther, wider than the actual gap here. So I'm closing this. There's no way I'm going to make a trade. If I had anything opened, I would have closed it at this point, but we didn't have anything open, so we don't have to. But this trend, I won't even be watching this until it actually straightens out again. Okay, now we have a few. Let's see. Let's look at the EuroCAD too. The EuroCAD 4-hour chart. We have several trades here. We have a trade right here that was opened up back here on. We actually opened it around March 5th. We probably marked that March 6th. I don't have the March 5th. Okay, March 5th. We opened that up at 61.22. We're up 803 pips, and we have another one. We have another trade right here that was opened up on 3/11, and it's up 619 pips. No interest in closing these. As you can see, the SMAs are all moving in the same direction. They're actually getting a little bit wider. This trend is actually getting steeper at this point. So we'll close everything out once again when we start approaching the 100 SMA. I never close trades unless I have a reason to. Okay, we have a few things on the hour that are shaping up into nice trends. Here, let's look at the Euro Yen. This pair just doesn't trend well for Blue Zone. Every once in a while, we'll find some trades here. Here was one that I probably should have taken right here. That is an inside bar, but I didn't like the way it was just dancing here on the 27 SMA. So I wasn't getting enough penetration. It's not bouncing well enough for me. So I'm not comfortable trading this yet. The trend isn't good enough. So I'll be watching it though. Okay, nothing to look at here. This is not in good enough shape yet. Euro USD. Um, this is this could shape up into a nice trend in the next few days, and we'll be watching it. This is the 1 hour chart, so I'm going to be watching this for the next few days, and we'll see what happens. Um, Once again, I will not place any trades on the hour chart myself, but I will post if there's a potential trade if I see an inside bar that is tradable. It'll get posted to the list. Euro, Canadian dollar. Once again, this trend is very fresh. You can see here we had a crossover here. It was way too close here. We actually bounced in very well here. It rebounded nicely. Didn't come back down into the blue zone yet, but we'll see what happens over the next few days. Um, the the dollar franc. We'll see what happens here. Um, it's looking pretty ugly right now, but it may shape up. We'll see. We'll see over the next few days. And that is about all I wanted to share with you tonight. But good luck for everyone that's traded with me since since way back around. We started this back in August, and really congratulations to all the guys that made all of these pips and actually stuck it out. And I know how hard it is when you first start trading to keep these trades open. When you see something, you see the price action moving against you just a little tiny bit, you want to close. A few of you have done really well this year and last year, and you've made a truckload of money. Um, Good luck, and I hope to talk to you all next week. Thank you very much.